Tonight, the moon will rise above your house just like it always has. It will look calm. It will look permanent. It will look like it has always been there. But something strange is happening. The moon is slowly leaving Earth. Every year, it moves about 3.8 centimeters farther away. That is about the length of your fingernail. You would never notice the difference. Nobody does. But tiny changes become huge when given enough time. And the moon has had billions of years. Around 4.5 billion years ago, Earth looked nothing like it does today. There were no oceans, no forests, no animals, no people. The young Earth was a violent place filled with fire and molten rock. Then something enormous happened. Scientists think a Mars-sized world called Theia crashed into Earth. The impact was unimaginably powerful. Rock and debris exploded into space. Over time, that debris came together. It formed the moon. At first, the moon was much closer than it is today. Much closer. If you could travel back in time, the moon would look enormous in the sky. It would appear several times larger than the moon you see tonight. And because it was closer, its gravity was much stronger. The oceans reacted to that gravity. Huge tides swept across the planet. Some scientists think those powerful tides may have helped create the conditions needed for life. But the story does not end there. The moon did not stay close. It started moving away, slowly, very slowly, yet it never stopped. Why would the moon leave Earth? The answer begins with water. Every day, the moon pulls on Earth's oceans. That pull creates tides. As Earth spins, those tides do not stay perfectly lined up with the moon. They move slightly ahead of it. That small difference creates a tiny gravitational tug. The oceans pull on the moon. The moon pulls back, and little by little, energy is transferred. That energy pushes the moon farther away. The process is incredibly slow, but it happens every single day, even tonight. Scientists can actually measure it. Special mirrors left on the moon by Apollo astronauts allow researchers to bounce lasers off its surface. By measuring how long the light takes to return, scientists can track the moon's distance with amazing accuracy. The results show the same thing. The moon is still moving away right now. But here's where the story becomes strange. The moon is not just a bright object in the sky. It does something extremely important. It helps stabilize Earth. Our planet is tilted as it travels around the sun. That tilt gives us seasons. Without the moon, Earth's tilt could change much more dramatically. Some scientists believe our climate will become far less stable. Imagine seasons becoming much more extreme. Imagine environments changing faster. Life might have faced a much harder challenge. The moon also slows Earth's rotation. Long ago, Earth spun much faster than it does today. A day lasted only a few hours. As the moon moved away, it slowly helped reduce Earth's spin. Days became longer. The world became more familiar. In a strange way, the moon helped shape the rhythm of life itself. But what if things had happened differently? What if the moon had moved away much faster? What if it had escaped entirely? The night sky would look completely different. There would be no bright full moon, no lunar eclipses, no moon landing, no familiar shape watching over humanity for thousands of years. The tides would also be much weaker. Many coastal ecosystems would change. Some might never have formed at all. The history of life could have followed a completely different path. And that leads to an unsettling thought. You often think of Earth as your home, but Earth never worked alone. The moon has been helping shape this world for billions of years. Its gravity influenced the oceans. Its presence influenced the climate. Its slow movement influenced the length of our days. The moon is not just Earth's companion, it is part of the reason Earth became the kind of place where humans could exist. Tonight, the moon will rise again. It will look exactly the same as it did yesterday. You will not see it moving. You will not feel it drifting away, but it is. The journey continues every second, every year. And if that journey had unfolded a little differently, the world you know might never have existed. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more hidden stories behind the world around us.